Hey, brother, welcome to the Tuesday night small group event listing. In this small group, we're going to talk about overcoming a sexless marriage. We're going to talk about sexual shame. We're going to talk about all the things that get in the way of us being able to say what it is that we want, to be able to own our desires, to feel good about ourselves, to feel like we're not doing something wrong, and to stop begging her for that thing that we want and start just declaring that this is who we are and this is what we want. We're not demanding it. We're not telling her that she has to give it to us. We just want to stop being apologetic about it. We want to stop being timid about it. And we want to start owning ourselves and our desires and being able to hold space for her while she works through that process for herself and comes to that point where she understands what she thinks about this. And we're going to learn to be okay when she's not okay because we recognize that our well being doesn't live outside of us. And so we're going to talk about those things on the call. You're also going to have an opportunity to tell us where you're at, what your thoughts are, what your stories are, what your beliefs are, what your personal sexual shame is, what stories you have in the past that are plaguing you, that you've carried around with you. And I guarantee you, we all have them, so you're not alone. So that's what we're going to talk about. We'll talk about it for 1 hour every couple of weeks. And in between, we'll have a little bit of homework, things that we're going to do in order to overcome these things in our life and rewire, reprogram our brain. And this is what we're going to do together as part of this small group. So there is a paid component to this. There will be a link that you can click to pay. You'll also be able to get access to the Zoom call and be able to join right from inside of the community. So go ahead and look for that link, sign up, and then join us on the next call. I look forward to talking to you.